Go.
Hi guys. This is a China Age Ice Age. And I want to open it right now, so I'm going to do it. Okay guys, let's do this. Okay. Guys, I didn't even need to use the zipper. I just...
You probably do need to use the zipper.
No, I don't. Silly Addy. Which is, guys, I'm using everything. Guys, it's gonna be very hard to do. Hey! Let your business, Addy. Okay, guys. Okay, I got the wrapper. Ooh. Oh, that's the bag.
I'm gonna help you open it.
Sure, Abby. My dad, hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold the phone, guys.
Okay, let's just leave the thing. Oh, so we got some slime.
Oh, slime.
Slime dino parts.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just open this one a bit more.
Wait, I did get the Ankylosaurus. I wanted the Ankylosaurus.
We got some more slime.
Ooh, slimy.
I wonder what that is. We
That's
got a little coin.
Oh, that's the dino.
We got this stretchy snow.
Ooh.
And then last but not least, we got the egg. Let me open this.
But, where's the map? Oh, here's the map. And it's the map. I think it's the map.
So Thomas, do you want to open this or should I open it?
I want to open it.
Okay. Ooh. What did you get? You got a mini dinosaur. Show the camera.
Hi guys, I got this.
Okay, so which one do you want to open up? We'll open this one later.
No, wait, I want to open it now. I got it. There. I can just rip it. And shreds.
Okie dokie. Ooh, there's two.
Oh.
So there is how to so these are all, this is what
Where's the map?
Common, rare, exclusive, ultra rare.
and then this is how to rebuild the smashed egg. And as you can see, we already smashed it. I don't think I have the patience to put it back together. So Thomas, which one do you want to open first?
I'll pick this one.
You want to pick that one? Okay.
Yeah.
And it looks like we got this guy.
Yep, we got that guy. See?
And this is a Angriosaurus.
An Ankylosaurus. I thought it was an Ankylosaurus.
Because it's angry.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Let's do this.
So you want to open the stretchy snow?
Yeah. Next.
This needs scissors.
Yeah.
I think I can open it.
Yeah, Addy, you can open it. Okay, I'm gonna get the shreddy snow out.
Needs scissors, Abby. Says scissors.
I'll be right back.
Mom, I'm gonna open the shreddy snow. Addy, you need some sparks.
Here, here.
Okay. This is so weird. This is like slimy.
Yeah, it's super slimy.
See
Here you
that?
Yeah. Oh, it just came out all by itself. Ew, it's solid slime.
For some reason, like it's all condensed, so like it stayed in here for a long time. Now it's not even slime; it's just like a block. Ew. Oh, this is frozen slime. It
Yeah.
makes sense. Ooh. Okay, so
I got
this,
a tail. There's the tail.
okay, so this is the stretchy snow.
I got the head. Head.
Izmi is a slime expert. This is snow slime,
Yep.
or it's basically just kind of a sand consistency, like kind of like kinetic sand mixed with slime. So,
I know what it is.
but this is what it makes.
No, look. Ta-da.
Stretchy snow.
Yeah.
Okay, last but not least is the crystal slime.
I want to open. So I want to get the last piece. I hope it's the body.
You hope it's the body?
Yeah.
Well, okay, show them what parts we have now. We
Okay,
have
guys.
the head,
We
the
got the
legs.
legs. The legs. The leggies. And we can't forget the tail.
Keep showing them the parts, Thomas.
Okay, guys. We got the head, the tail, and the legs, boy.
Is all of the stretchy slime off of the tail?
Okie dokie.
No.
This is the body. You are correct. And look at this crystal slime.
Oh, it's real slime. The crystal slime's real slime. Oh my,
Mm-hmm. Can you see the slime?
oh my, it's toxic crystal slime. Wait, I want to play with it. Okay, let's make this big bad boy up. Let's make the,
Okay, so
Fingers.
let's make the dino.
I want to make it. I'm gonna make it because I got this.
Let's start by putting on the hind legs.
Yeah. This leg goes here. No, that's. Now you bring this.
Let me Thomas here.
Hey, I want to put it on the tail.
Wait, let me put on.
Wait, is it the tail spot?
You put the leg backwards, Thomas.
Is that the tail spot?
Yep. So this is what we got right now. We're gonna add the other hind leg. Wait.
And then we're gonna
It
add
then goes in.
the front leggies. And then we're gonna add the head last. And then we're gonna party. We got a party on this love. I
Right.
can't wait to party with
Let
me.
him put the head on.
Try to put the head on, Thomas.
Okay. This is gonna be so
I still can't get over this frozen slime. I don't like the consistency. It's just a no.
Wait.
The other slime, so just as
Wait.
the crystal
I put it-
slime
I put it on wrong.
and the stretchy snow.
I broke
is-
the behind
It is
leg.
very stretchy. I love it. It is very satisfying. I might keep this in my room, hide it from Thomas. Don't mind me.
Stop doing that. I don't want you to hide it.
This is a very good slime. It stretches very well.
Yeah.
And yeah. And the stretchy snow, I love. Best
Yeah.
slime ever.
Abby, you can hide
But like
this
I
with
said, the frozen slime's not really the best. Maybe if you add like warm water to it, maybe it'll go back to its slime form. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm too lazy.
All right,
Okay.
Thomas, are you putting your dinosaur together?
Yeah.
Put on the head.
The head
Slime
goes
is gonna
right
put
here.
on slime.
The head goes right here. Abby, you got it wrong.
I did. What do you mean?
Look,
Oh.
this is not the tail spot.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Look.
Yes, it is.
The tail looks perfectly fit. And this is the head spot.
Mhm.
Silly.
You already had it correct, so. Okie dokie. Put on the rest of the legs, Thomas.
Trying. Okay, guys, I'm trying to put on this first leg. It's so hard.
Let me see.
But, and I'm gonna help you guys. Wait. The leg, foot, leg, foot, leggy foot. Please don't hide the crystal slime from me.
And I'll just
All right.
keep the stretchy snow. Okay.
Other
Get it
legs.
to Mama.
Bum, bum, bum.
I'll hold the camera if you want me to.
Oh, this is so satisfying, guys. Abby was so right.
It has a great stretch consistency.
Yeah.
This stretchy snow has to be my favorite. Like,
And this one's so cool. It's so satisfying, and I like it. I'm gonna hide it from Abby.
hey, shush, no. Fine, I'll have the stretchy.
All right, your Angriosaurus is put together.
And
Yeah.
then let's see this.
Okay, guys, look at my Angriosaurus.
So these are the two characters that we have. We have this lying thingamajiggy, and then we have the Angriosaurus.
I'm gonna smash this for you, Abby. I'm gonna splat it back.
I think this is really cool.
Yeah, because it.
There's still some like parts that still have slime on it, but
Like this slime is more cooler.
All right, so that was our Ice Age unboxing.
unboxing.
Can we?
Video. Bye, guys. And take a
So
big like button.
and don't forget to ring the bell to all notifications and like the video.
That's what I just said, Abby.
We hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye. Have a good week. Bam.